Here's how to get GitHub Copilot for free as a student. Open GitHub and sign in to your account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Settings. From the left sidebar, open Billing and Licensing. Then click Education Benefits. Select Start an application to apply for GitHub Education. Choose Student as your role, then enter your school or college name. Next, share your institution's location if prompted, and continue to the verification step. You'll need to provide proof that you're currently enrolled in an educational institution. GitHub accepts documents such as a transcript, enrollment letter, class schedule, syllabus, or fee receipt. Upload one of the supported documents and submit your application. Once GitHub reviews and approves your request, you'll receive access to GitHub Education benefits, including GitHub Copilot, at no additional cost for eligible students. Depending on the current student benefits available, you may also receive access to additional developer tools and AI services. Approval times vary, so keep an eye on your email and GitHub notifications for updates. That's all for this video. Thanks.